Soren's face before his big food bite.
Are you gonna open your mouth?
It's like, what do I do?
Close your mouth. You got the here.
I just don't understand, Mommy.
No.
Soren, look.
Oh no. You He's just chilling on his tongue. You want more? It's still on your tongue. Oh, it got on your hand. There you go. Push it around with your. You like it? I'm playing with it.
I'll stick his hand in there.
I know. Yeah, you are. Here, you need to move your hand. This is gonna be fun to clean up, huh?
There it is in his mouth. I don't think he knows what to do with it now.
No, he's like, I need to spit this out. It looks like throw up. Gross. Does it taste funny? Your formula's in there.
You think we should try it the other way? Would it be able to go through his bottle?
No. Look at it.